Here, how are you doing? Team Nokia Powers are here, and we welcome you all to yet another interesting video involving Nokia XR20. As you know, Nokia XR20 is the toughest and the latest smartphone from the house of Nokia. So while in the unboxing video, we did bend test, soap water soak test of Nokia XR20, and it takes everything in stride. But this military grade tough mobile has much more endurance. So that we will test. We will do an interesting test with Nokia XR20. What we will do, you see the walnuts here, toughest nuts, but can Nokia XR20 crack them? So we will try to do that. We will try to crack the walnuts using Nokia XR20 because during our unboxing video we told that Nokia XR20 looks like a weapon in your hand that you can really use. So jokes aside, we will try that, and we will also share how the drop test looks like on Nokia XR20 when we drop it face down on a concrete floor. So that way we will understand how it can what how much it can endure in terms of getting dropped, whether the display gets cracked, etc., or it can withstand it properly. So both tests we will do. So starting with the walnut cracking test, let's see if we can do that. Okay, yes, so we are already able to, I think. Oh, so easy, right? Okay, it looks quite easy. And did it kind of got any scratch or anything on the back? No. The back looks as good as it was earlier. After cracking one of the walnuts, let's try with one or two more. So quite easy, right? Walnuts are cracked so easily with Nokia XR20. So you got a kind of innovative use of the device. It's rough and tough, and it can be used to crack walnuts. Walnuts are like so difficult to crack and eat, but with a Nokia XR20, it's so easy. Okay, we have to try with another one. Okay, and this side, like I'm using this camera side, and it's all good. So we already cracked 3 walnuts. So bon appetit. Have some walnut. We are with our face down drop test for Nokia XR20. And it hardly has any impact. Okay, let's increase the height. So it's about 6 feet, I think. And there is not even a scratch. We can do this one more time. And after these 3 drop tests, which I did face down, there's hardly any impact. The display is looking as good or as new as it was. Okay, hope with this walnut cracking test and the face down drop test, you may have some idea about how tough the Nokia XR20 is. So thanks for watching the interesting video. Continue watching these videos on Nokia Power User YouTube channel, and also get connected to nokiapowers.com.